Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can block an account on Clash. But first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the Clash app. After that you have to click on a profile, then click on that three dots at the top of the screen, and then you can see the block option. You have to click on that, and it says that the user will not be able to direct message you, find you in search, access your profile, or view your content. They will not be notified that you blocked them. You can manage blocked users in settings. So yeah, and if you want that, click on the block and then you are all set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.